In this use case, we have created a search action for the report new members. This means that in the drop-down of actions, so let's select them all, and at the bottom, we have created an extra action which is called Update Activity and Print Welcome Letter. When you select that one, you can do two actions in one. First of all, print the welcome letter and update the status of the activity. So instead of having to do two separate actions, using the Search Action Designer, you can combine them into one action. To create this Search Action Designer, go to Administer, Customize Data and Screens, Search Action Designer. Click on Edit. When creating one, you need to identify where you want your action to show up. In this case, we want it to be available for contact search tasks, but you can also select activity search tasks, contribution or membership search tasks, case tasks, and event participant search tasks. Fill in the title, description, help text, and success message after the action has been done. The next step is to add the fields. These are the two fields that the users are shown when they select the action. In this case, the message template for the document and the status of the activity. The configuration for setting the message template looks like this. You select the type message template, you give it a title, and you define the default template, in our situation, the Welcome Package number 2 template. After setting the fields, you need to set the actual actions. In this use case, there are 3. The most recent activity of a contact, the activity update status, and the create PDF communication. Let's have a look at the first one. When I click on Edit, you can see that the configuration is set up like this. The record type is activity targets, the activity type is welcome message new members, and the status is scheduled. The contact ID is of course the contact ID of the contact. We click on Save, and we also zoom in on the last action, which is create the document. Click on Edit, and we can see that here it says the title, the document, create a PDF. The message comes from the welcome letter, HTML message, ID of the activity, and the subject for the activity comes from here. This is how you set up a Search Action Designer. Although it is a powerful tool, it needs quite some knowledge of CiviCRM to set up your own. But once you know how to do it, it can be very useful.